Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back again with another video for you guys. I know it's been a while, but I want to, get back on this content, bringing you this content and, uploading more videos, but I've been pretty busy. But anyway, today we have here a decent sized driveway. I think it's a 3-car. We out here in Winter Garden, Florida. Yeah, it's hot, man. It's hot out here. The summer times here. It's humid, but a pressure washer job, it calls and we're gonna get to it. So this customer called to he got a notice from the HOA to clean his driveway and sidewalk. So he was recommended to me by another customer, and yeah, so we're gonna get this guy taken care of. But yeah, as you can see right now, what I'm doing is I'm soaping the driveway down with a SH mix with a Dawn dish soap surfactant, which helps with the soap also to make the job a little easier as far as the algae and all the mold and everything that's built up in the surface of the driveway. So it kind of help out a little bit. And for you guys who don't know what you use, you can go and get like some bleach from your local Lowe's or Home Depot or Walmart, or actually you can get something even better, which is called some Pool Essential from like your local Home Depot or Lowe's or Walmart, and mix it, man. Get you a little nice mix with some soap, yeah, man, and apply it to the surface, and it'll make your job a lot easier. Your job will come out looking more professional. You won't see as many lines, and yeah, it's a lot brighter. So, but yeah, I'm out here with my wife, man. Before we head out, just decided to come knock this job here out. I think I charged this guy $175 for the driveway and the sidewalks, if I'm not, it's like $225 for everything. Yeah, like $225 for everything. Now I do have different prices depending on where I get the lead from. I have a couple ways I market. I get the majority of my leads from Facebook groups, and then another big percentage comes from recommendations. And I invested into 100 signs, which is $1 a piece. And I got a couple hits from the sign. They pay for themselves, so that's all that matters. But I do charge different prices depending on where I get the lead, because I advertise on Facebook different prices. Yeah, but if I get a lead off of my sign, it's going to be a different price. And if I get a lead recommendation, it might be the same, a different price also. Also, the key to this business, man, to getting the most out of the business is upselling. So you want to, if you the type to, that's one thing I learned, being in the business. I wish I would have known this from the start, but you want to upsell. You might go to a customer house for driveway cleaning, and it might have pavers. So now you can upsell them on not only cleaning paver driveway, but sealing it and re-sanding it, which helps, keeps, the life of their pavers, it helps extend the life of their pavers, keep them looking good for a longer period of time. So, or you might go, to a person's house, for a driveway cleaning, and you see that they suffix in their eaves are dirty, or they got mold on their window sill. Upsell them, man. Upsell. And that's the thing in Florida, because of the weather. We get so much rain, humidity. It's a lot of algae. It's a lot of mold, a lot of mildew. So, guy asked me, what do I charge per square footage? And I had to just mention, I don't charge by square footage at the moment. It's just really not, something I do at the moment. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it. But me, I kind of just eyeball things, man. I get a feel for my customers. If they was recommended, they might respond to one of my ads. But I want the customer to be comfortable with me and my prices and my work to where she called me back. And, she don't even have to think about calling somebody else because, not only did this guy charge an arm and a leg, but, he did the same amount of work that I'll do. And quality of work, he might just do a little faster, but think about it, I charge, just say $175 for a driveway, and then you get somebody else come by, $400 for this driveway. Now, hey, you get $400 for that driveway that one time, but I get $175 for that driveway. Then that customer call me back or recommends me to a family member, friend, or a neighbor, or call me back to clean their house because my prices were so reasonable, or call me back to clean their pool enclosure, their lanai, or their fence, or seal their driveway or something because the prices was reasonable. Not only that, I'm a little guy. I'm not trying to be this big company right now. I mean, eventually, yes, but this is just one step. This is not, I just want to, the goal with this was to be an independent contractor and work for myself and own my own business and get out of the corporate world for working for somebody else. That's what my goal was with this pressure washing thing, to make enough money to provide for my family and do what I want to do, when I want to do it. I'm not asking anybody for nothing. I go out here and I get it on my own, and no middleman. I had to cut out the middleman. And everybody don't want to do that. That's fine. To each his own. But me, I just, I just feel like I don't want a person making a certain percentage off of my work, and he don't appreciate me as a person, you know. And I always been into being an independent contractor anyway. I always work jobs where it's commission based only. I never really was an hourly guy, so all my jobs was basically like 100% commission. So, you know, I'm used to going out and getting it, you know. Yeah, so. But yeah, I'm just spraying down here, in which one of my viewers commented and told me that using the ball valve will, you know, be a little bit more efficient as far as me, you know, spraying down out there, you know, which it is. It's pretty efficient. I like it compared to just using the gun, because that can get hard on your hands. Yeah, your hands start to cramp up. So the ball shut off valve, man, it worked pretty good. I like it. So thanks, View, for that info, man, that insight. I appreciate all the support, man. Like I said, I appreciate the insight. And yeah. And this right here is just the after picture. You know, which is still drying off, but it looks pretty good. You can see right here the neighbors, the difference. So yeah, I think that was a job well done. Watered down pretty good. Didn't want to kill his grass. He got a nice yard. Yeah. Also had another viewer ask me how was business. For me, as a African American, which is, you know, I really don't have any issues. Never have. As far as man, just getting out here working. One thing I found out just being out here in the field is hard work, quality work, good prices. You know, you can't go wrong, man. So business has been good for me. But anyway, you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel. We'll keep bringing you good content, keep letting you know what's going on here. Freddie, and we out, man. Fred the pressure washer guy. Thank you.